Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. As you notice, the video quality is different for this part of the video. That's because my camera stopped working and I've been trying all the ways that I find online to fix my camera, but it's not happening. There's nothing open outside and I don't want to go outside to get it fixed. It's too risky at this point, so I even don't want to go and buy a new camera because I just want to be sure that that camera cannot be fixed and I need a new camera. Until then, I don't want to invest on a new camera at this point, so I have to make do with whatever I have, which is cell phone. That this is not even my cell phone. My cell phone cannot take audio properly. All the swatches are very clear. I filmed with my camera when it was working. It's just the review part that I couldn't film at that point because after I swatched, I burned my lips very badly. So I had to take like 2 or 3 days, and by then the camera stopped working. So anyways, with great difficulty, this video is going up today on time. So yay for me, and I hope you like this video. In this video, I'm reviewing the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I have 13 shades right here, but I'm not going to swatch these two shades because I know I'm not going to use these. These are the shades Roxy and Echo. I know I'm not going to use these two shades in the future, so that's why I'm not swatching these two, but I'm going to swatch all the 11 shades. Kat Von D liquid lipsticks are one of the first liquid lipsticks to the liquid lipstick game, and I have these for a very long time in my collection. I'm not sure why I haven't reviewed them till now. Maybe I was just waiting for a comet to drop on me. I'm not sure, but it took me a long time to just find out that I have all these shades and I have to swatch them for you guys. So better late than never, here I am. Packaging is very sleek, just like a sleek pen that you can put in your handbag, and it's a very safe packaging as well. I really like the artwork on Kat Von D makeup. She specifically sketches all the artwork that goes on her makeup, so I feel like they're very unique and one of the best packaging out there. If you see this in person, it's just so beautiful. Not just this, but a lot of her makeup has really beautiful artwork on it. And surprisingly, even though this is a very basic doe foot wand, this works beautifully. It's nice and sleek, so you have a very nice grip and you can just coat your entire lips with just one dip of it. Kat Von D herself is not with the brand anymore. I think she came out of the brand, but the brand is still operating and you can get all their products on Sephora.com. These retail for $21. These are not as expensive as a lot of other liquid lipsticks, but these are a few dollars less than some high-end liquid lipsticks out there. I just checked Sephora.com and some of the shades, some of the very nice shades, as for example, this shade Suspiria is also for $5. So you might want to check out if you have any colors that you like, and there are also a very good number of minis as well. If you are someone like me who prefers getting minis rather than a full-size liquid lipstick, then go check them out. So these are the minis. These are very good size. The shade range is pretty big. They have over 35 shades, but there are a few shades that not everyone shows interest, like these shades, and they have like aqua blue and some of the shades I think a lot of people don't show interest in getting, but leaving those out, still 25 shades or 30 shades is still a very good shade range, and the nudes are just beautiful. Even some of the colors like oranges, bright reds, corals, bright pinks, these are very good too. So these two are popular. A lot of you might have already heard about these colors. These are Lolita and Lolita 2. These are one of the most popular nude shades in the makeup world. 2 years back, everyone were talking about these, and these two shades flatter on brown skin beautifully. Personally, I like Lolita 2 better than Lolita because Lolita 2 has a little bit of terracotta undertones to it, which is very flattering on me. And I've used these fully and I'm almost down to using them up. Now coming to the formula, it is a light formula. It is quite runny for a liquid lipstick, and you have a little bit of time to work with the product on your lips, and once it sets to a matte finish. I don't know if they have other finishes, I'm not really sure, so all the ones I have are all matte finish liquid lipsticks. They're very comfortable, they're very light on the lips, and also they don't make your lips stiff. It's they're very comfortable on the lips and they don't crack or they don't flake throughout the day. With any liquid lipstick, I say this in all my liquid lipsticks reviews, so with any liquid lipstick you have to exfoliate your lips, or at least make sure that you don't have any dry patches or skin peeling off your lips, because that's when liquid lipsticks make you feel uncomfortable and bother your lips, or burn your lips, or you feel like there's a lot of peeling going on. So make sure your lips are well prepped, well exfoliated and moisturized before you use a liquid lipstick. I use an oil-based makeup remover to melt the lipstick, and I use a baby wipe to wipe that off. That's just for the swatches, but in general I just use grapeseed or coconut oil to remove my makeup. But you need an oil-based cleanser to remove this. Regular water or makeup removers would not remove this liquid lipsticks. And now let's get into the swatches. As I mentioned, the swatches are filmed on my camera and they will be clear. Of the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of the shades and if you have any shade recommendations for me to try. These were on shelf for a very long time, so if you are a lipstick fanatic, I'm sure you might have tried at least the Lolita or the Lolita 2. So let me know in the comments below, and I hope you like this video. I swatched 11 shades for you guys on my lips. I'm not sure if you noticed midway I was getting so comfortable, and by the end of all the swatches my lips were on fire. It took me 2 days to get my lips to normal condition. They were burning continuously. So I hope you like the video and comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.